What's the meaning of clout? Clout. Clout.
Clout. Clout. Clout is a term used to describe the influence or power that someone has in a particular industry or field. It is often associated with people who have achieved a high level of success and recognition, and who are able to use their position to affect change or make a significant impact. Having clout can lead to increased opportunities, greater visibility, and the ability to shape opinions and decisions. It is a valuable asset for anyone looking to make a name for themselves or advance their career in a competitive field.